Hi, welcome to the first official episode of the Fam Show. Chef Lando here, owner of Enclave. I'm going to be sharing you some very nutrient-dense and delicious immunity-boosting ingredients that you can incorporate in your daily diet. I'll be sharing some nutritional data, some historical facts, and most importantly, some simple recipes that you can make right in your own home. Today we're going to kick off the show with our very first nutrient-dense ingredient, and that's moringa, also known as miracle tree. So we're going to show you some simple recipes with moringa. It eats just like spinach and it tastes 10 times better than kale. Every part of the moringa tree can be eaten. The leaves, the mature seeds, the immature seed pods, also called drumsticks, and even the roots. Here are the leaves of the moringa. It's been used for centuries in both food and traditional herbal medicine. It has antifungal, antiviral, antioxidant, antibiotic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa is shared by many cultures globally, including India, most of Africa, Philippines, tropical parts of Southeast Asia, Central America, and northern parts of South America. Most importantly, it's most available all year round and it's drought resistant, making it one of the most sustainable edible crops in the world. Africans have called moringa never die, the only thing that grows in the dry season, and even mother's milk. The miracle tree is able to provide all the amino acids required by the human body. This is spectacular. It's important not only to help rebuild muscle and tissue damage, but also neurotransmitters, hormones, enzymes, and immunoglobulins. These are the various nutrients that can have a beneficial effect of enhancing immune system function. There have been many studies that show the leaf extract inhibits the growth of tumor cells. These findings have sparked more research in moringa for prevention and treatment of cancer. This tree is so fascinated by researchers and scientists that it was named National Institute of Health's Botanical of the Year not once, but 3 times. Today's diet has double the caloric intake just 30 years ago, and 75% less the nutrient value of the calories consumed. The Western diet depletes and robs our minds and bodies instead of feeding and nurturing us. The moringa tree contains 7 times the vitamin C found in oranges, 4 times the calcium in milk, 4 times the vitamin A in carrots, twice the protein of yogurt, 25 times the iron in spinach, and 3 times the potassium in bananas. And that moringa indeed is a miracle.